Guys, we are fans of Epic. Baby, baby! Baby, baby, long at your bone. Baby, baby, baby. Hello, baby, baby. Ayo! Oh, speed ahead.
Okay na.
So we find the prophet.
Oh, Underworld Day, ha?
All I hear is screams.
Uy, asa na itong ato speedboat?
Wala na atong arc.
Favorite song?
All of it. But my favorite.
Wala may song na all of it. Ibu?
My favorite is the challenge.
Why?
Because it is
It's
sang
challenging.
by Penelope. Your favorite? Favorite?
I don't know.
Wala pa siya nakatanaw sa... Wala pa siya nakatanaw sa last. Iyang natanaw
You
kay...
have to... Ulo, wow.
Yang-
Wow, ulo, ulo, wow.
Ang natanaw
No,
ni
wow.
Kim kay Kwan.
No, no, no. Wow, wow.
Puto pa si Kim sa first act. Undersaga pa siya
Why
naman.
lami, Kim? Sa?
Undersaga pa siya naman.
Why lami, Kim?
Hindi mo
You have to
kung ano.
watch Vengeance Saga. Favorite saga.
And just itong... I'm not sorry.
So far, Kim, sa first act, unsa may mo favorite?
Bro forgot the songs. That should we not tolerate.
I think we should watch again with him together.
Itong horse and the infant.
No first. Second. Extend na niya.
Ang atong bebe.
Oh, gusto itong pass, baby.
I don't know.
Oh, Just a Man? Oh, mo ba yung favorite?
Just a man.
Dili pa. Exam.
Just a man.
Sa baba no.
Full speed ahead.
Kilid lagi.
Ang Troy Saga kay The Horse of the Infant. Dili ba just and where you of your mind. Warrior of your mind. Five na mo.
Ate, i-share na ako.
Ang katong
Ate,
walay-
ate, check te.
walay ay
Ang katong underworld.
No. Tell me the saga. I'll try to name it. Ow. Brasimus.
Ate, check.
Oh, Polyphemus. Tapos, remember them? Oh, dili pa.
Dili.
Ano pa isang?
Because I don't know. Abi ta mo dito ang saga na what? Huh? Audience song. Prefer nila ako dito compared sa
Polyphemus saga, di ba?
Itong One Eye. Ultimus.
Di ba ang name sa saga?
Ay, Cyclops! Ang favorite na saga kay ito, Katong Wisdom.
Of course, Ithaca. Of course.
bro, it's-
Ako, Vengeance of Ithaca.
In the middle of the night.
Malapay ka na na, Kim.
Bisa i-share na ako labay na so kasi maabot.
That's not a good idea.
You better get it. If it sinks, it's gonna be your fault. You won't get anything.
Guys,
Maybe it
pili
will
mo
break
guys,
at the
ilabay na ako ng
end.
camera or di.
At the end. Oh, there are a lot.
Oh, no wonder. Kita na lang yung cemetery. Naibumito ko. Wala, why is it so empty? Everybody left?
Ate, unsa mo favorite sa what is it? Unsa mo
Ate, nahawa sila kay Toast ka na may gwapa sa swing.
most
Ano pa?
favorite songs o sa kasaga?
Sa Tagsang
Saga.
Okay, so Troy Saga. Of course, Open Arms. Of course. Because I like the last part nga na yun siya.
Oh,
And then yung yell mo sa name ba? I am the reigning king of Ithaca.
oh, okay, mo kati mo to on what a reason nga no na
Okay.
Anak ko to niya. Si Poseidon, anak ko niya mga Cyclops.
Weird ba?
Pegasus.
Mga horses.
Yeah, winged horse.
Oh,
Oh,
weird.
horses.
Wow, grabe ba Poseidon? Bro really has a type?
I'm actually a daughter of Poseidon.
Oh,
I'm a half sister
Ay, fur.
of Perseus. sure not you're going to.
Ikaw, Kim.
Hephaestus? What, you took a test or something?
No, nagkuhan ko sa worksmate.
Meaning.
Atina pa akong
Wow, so bright.
wisdom.
Meow. Meaning. Tough cat. It's not close enough. It's not close enough. Meow 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 meow. Maybe.
Ew, why are you filming the cat's butt?
Meow.
Ayo.
No. Okay, catch.
No, that's not a good idea.
Joe.
Oh my. I thought it's a zombie.
Asa ganun unsa nga sa
Hello. Hello, see.
Hey yo.
Tala ako sa mga mata ko.
Hey, this looks like a Rizzler. Hey. Hey yo. Hey yo.
Help.
Hey yo. Wait. It's not that underwater.
I like the vibe. Yeah, I like it. I like the fact that he uses different instruments for the characters.
Motifs to know, motifs.
Iban.
Kay ma-associate magud makatik mo. Na pud yung
Ikaw.
secret ko an siya. Maybe you'll be interested bro. Let's write let's do that.
Oh, no. There kayo.
Bible story tapos mo.
Legit guys, legit. Motifs.
Say 3, 2, 1, go.
Legit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Story?
Legit good
Like
guys.
unsa
Legit
story
good.
sa Bible?
Pound. 360.
Story sa Bible.
I know the camera's plan.
Let's write one together.
Seeing the butt cat.
I
can't hold. I am not good at writing songs.
Billy, you will help me. So I feel like you can help me. I like ano ba? He said, don't worry about the writing because
Hindi kasi
I'm
kaya
here, you know.
Wala.
Yeah.
But
So
it's a apostrophe.